Messy unboxing plus application of screen protector plus sample video of my DJI Osmo Nano. I just recently bought this camera here on TikTok but I regretted buying it a week before 6.6. Nung 6.6 it was around 13,000 na lang but I bought it for almost 16,000. Okay na rin for its original price na 18,000. Anyways, dumating naman siya ng maayos and complete yung package. Hindi ko na na-film ng maayos yung unboxing. I was too excited to open it right away, so please excuse the messy clips you're seeing. Ang liit-liit ng camera itself, pero handy siya, so madadala mo kahit saan-saan. Aside from the camera, bumili na rin ako ng mga accessories niya. Makikita nyo sa yellow basket. Yung mga pinamili ko, yun lang yung mga necessary talaga sa kanya. Etong mga to is yung official accessories ng DJI kasama na sa camera. May hot clip, suction, tsaka magnet. Ito yung manual niya na wala namang nagbabasa. Mas gets ko pa kung sa TikTok na lang tingnan. Tapos ito yung screen protector tsaka case niya which I bought separately. Again, I'll just put everything in my yellow basket para isahan na doon nyo na makita lahat-lahat. By the way, binili ko tong camera na to because of the good reviews that I saw online. Compared to other cameras, mas mura siya, madaling bitbitin, tsaka good for just filming daily vlogs. Guys, yung screen protector na to, 2 sets of everything na siya. Pero nagamit ko naman lahat kasi nasayang ko yung first one. Hindi ako marunong sorry. Suggest ko sa inyo, magpatulong na lang kayo sa mga may alam na mag-apply ng mga ganito para hindi naman masayang yung reserva nyo. Anyways, kung naghahanap kayo ng totoong review, eto na. Totoo talaga yung sinasabi nila na madaling malobat yung screen. Pero yung camera, hindi naman. Yung screen, first one to go siya. Kaya kung nasa trip kayo, magdala kayo ng power bank. Aside from that, napakaganda ng model na to. Baka gusto nyo ring bumili, kaya to help you decide, here is a sample video.